Most pre-med students think that interview prep means memorizing answers, but real preparation is more about self-awareness, not rehearsal. Rehearsal helps you sound polished. Self-awareness is going to help you actually sound authentic. When you know why you made certain choices, what you learned from your experiences, and how those moments actually shaped you, you can answer any question with clarity, even the unexpected ones. So instead of scripting, reflect. Ask yourself, what's one experience that actually changed how I think about medicine? And what did it teach me about communication, empathy, or teamwork? Then practice speaking from reflection, not from memory. The most impressive applicants aren't the most polished ones. They're the ones that are the most present in the moment. Keep learning with me. I share interview strategies that help you sound confident, real, and ready.